Have you ever wondered why your coffee remains in the cup when you stop walking? Or why you feel a jolt when the elevator suddenly starts moving? These questions have answers rooted in the three laws of classical mechanics proposed by Sir Isaac Newton. These laws do not only govern the motion of planets and pendulums, but also explain the physics of our everyday lives. The first law, often referred to as the law of inertia, states that an object will remain at rest or move in a straight line at a constant speed unless acted upon by an external force. Think about a soccer ball on a field. It won't move unless a player kicks it, which is the external force. Similarly, once the ball is rolling, it will continue to roll until friction or another player stops it. This law explains why your coffee stays in the cup. When you stop walking, the coffee wants to continue moving due to its inertia, but the cup provides the external force to stop it. Newton's second law says that the force acting on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. This law can be expressed by the formula F equals m times a. It means that if you push a heavy box and a light box with the same force, the light box will move faster. This is because the force you apply is spread across a smaller mass, leading to a higher acceleration. This principle is why smaller cars can accelerate faster than larger ones when the same amount of force or power is applied. Finally, the third law, known as the action-reaction law, states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This law explains why you feel a jolt in an elevator. When the elevator moves upwards, it exerts a force on you, pushing you down. Your body responds with an equal and opposite force, pushing upwards, which you perceive as a jolt. To summarize, Newton's first law, the law of inertia, explains why objects at rest stay at rest, and objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. The second law states that force equals mass times acceleration, explaining the relationship between an object's mass, the force applied to it, and its resulting motion. The third law, the action-reaction law, tells us that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. These laws, although first formulated over 3 centuries ago, still form the foundations of classical mechanics. They govern the motion of objects in our daily lives and the universe at large. So the next time you stop walking with a cup of coffee in your hand or feel a jolt in an elevator, remember that it's all just a bit of Newtonian physics at work.